Hello! Now, if some of you were watching my videos a few years ago, you might remember when I had the Airstream in the truck, I had a fire pit, and I used to really enjoy using that on a Hebridean beach at night. But once I got rid of the truck, I couldn't really have the fire pit anymore because it took up too much space. It takes up too much space in the car, and obviously you've got to carry the wood with you as well. So it just sat in my shed at home, and I've eventually got rid of it. Also, if you've been watching for a few years, you might remember the Solo stove that I once did a video about, which is a stove that you can use as a wood gas stove and also as a fuel burner stove. And that's really good, and I've been using that a lot. Especially, again, I used to use it in the back of the truck to make tea and coffee rather than pay £4.30 for a Costa. What have these got to do with each other, I hear you cry? Well, Solo Stove then started doing fire pits, but of course they were too big for my needs. And then when I was at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, I saw Solo Stove were there, and they had these. And it is a tabletop fire pit, and I thought this is absolutely ideal for caravanning, because basically all you want is the atmosphere. Because let's face it, you've got to have a roaring fire if you want to get heat from a fire pit, and really what they're for is atmosphere and ambience. So I ended up buying one because these are about 90 to 100 pounds, and at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, Solo Stove was selling them for €55. Now I'm going to leave a link below this video, an affiliate link to Amazon if you want to buy one. It probably won't be €55 though. I just thought, right, I've got to snap that up at that price, and what we'll do is we'll have a look at it and then we'll light it. So here it is. Obviously comes in a little bag, and you have a little stand to put it on. This is the fire pit itself, and the reason it has all these holes, etc., is for the secondary combustion, so it stops the smoke. That's the main thing. And then a little lid to go on top. So there's no accessory for cooking on this. This is not for cooking. This is purely decorative, and they run on wood pellets, so you can buy wood pellets. I'm going to try that sometime. Maybe even just, the cat litter, as long as it's 100% wood. I can't see why not. What I've done though, I had some spare wood knocking around, and I've cut this down using my mallet and froe. Basically what you do is you take a piece of elastic, you put it around the wood, and then you get your froe and your mallet, and you put cross sections in with the froe, and then once you've done that, you take the rubber off, and boom, you've got a load of fuel. There you go. I don't have any fire lighters, so I'm going to use the bark as fire lighter and hope that's going to work. So yeah, we're going to let it get a bit darker now, so we get some contrast, and light it, see how we get on. Here we are set up, and see we're on the stand. So you can see the layer of holes there, and you mustn't put the wood any higher than those holes. So let's get a bit of wood in and get it lit. So it's been lit for a couple of minutes. You can see it's getting hotter, but you can see we're still getting a fair bit of smoke in these early days. Okay, we are cooking on, well, not gas, we're cooking on wood. Well, we're not cooking, we're admiring wood. Look at that. So now it's heated up. You can see that with the secondary burn, it's burning off. There's no smoke. We've got a great flame going, and it's absolutely brilliant. I'm really, really, really happy with that. This is after about 5 minutes. So yeah, no smoke now. Quite a flame on it, and yeah, you can feel some heat from it as well. Don't want to get too close because of that popping wood, but yeah, really good. Really, really pleased with that. So there you have it, folks, the Solo Stove Mesa. As I say, I'll put an affiliate link below this video if you're interested in buying one. I was really lucky. I did pay for this out of my own money, but I got it for a really good price. And I'm really pleased with it. Now, of course, do remember, not all campsites allow fires like this one. So check with your campsite operator before lighting, just in case they don't allow little things like this. But on this CL, we're in a nice quiet CL, absolutely beautiful. And yeah, they're fine with this as long as it's not off the ground. It's off the ground, and as you can see, it's off the ground, so it's not going to damage the ground. Absolutely brilliant. I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. Hope you found this useful. If you did, you know what to do. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't already, and it just leaves me to say from, where are they? Ted, Dougal, Dougal, Ted. Come on, come on. Hello. So it just leaves me to say from Ted and from Dougal, thanks for churning it. There. Do you like it, Dougal? Do you like the new fire pit? Do you think it's fun? Are you excited about the new fire? Yes? Are you excited? Yes? Are you excited? Are you excited? He never smiles.